gold futures. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We have dipped into NUGT territory. We have yet to test the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $1,806.60. With the 4 hour chart, we are approaching to NUGT territory as we're seeing increase in the red MACD bars. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $166.34, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $171.94. My stop loss is at $164.14. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $173.06. My sell target is at $168.58, and my stop loss is at $175.35. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, gold futures has a 67% chance to climb between 0 to 2%. To the downside, has a 33% chance to fall between -2 to -4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.